Assalamu alaikum. Let's make some Nabeez water, aka date water. This is a very beautiful tip to help you adequately hydrate during the fasting hours and throughout Ramadan. This is also a prophetic Sunnah practice as well. And the dates containing magnesium and potassium, and also the salt that we're gonna add will help you to hydrate your cells so that you feel hydrated and not feel very tired, unenergized, and also sluggish during the day. Nabeez is one of the favorite drinks that is believed to be a daily practice of our beloved Prophet Mohammed sallallahu alaihi wasallam, especially during Ramadan. This drink is made by adding dates or raisins in drinking water and allow it to soak for some few hours. Authentically, there is no salt nor black seed added in this drink, but I am adding it because the Himalayan salt is prophetic and also the black seed is prophetic, and we are going to capitalize on the nutrition and hydration power of these prophetic ingredients. Put it aside on your counter to set and infuse, but you can also put it in your refrigerator and that can even keep for longer. Remember to soak it for some few hours if you are soaking it in room temperature, and not to let it sit more than 24 hours to ferment. That way there is no alcohol that is generated in the drink and it doesn't become haram to drink. To avoid any waste, you can easily eat the date as is, or you can store it to add it to a smoothie and blend it with other fruit and vegetables that would be equally delicious and nutritious. When you try it, I hope you like it. Assalamu alaikum.